Episode 64. Today we will focus on, well, the basic design of everything. So let's begin with the design of Earth. Me and my team have spent many decades on the true design of your planet. We are able to give you the facts, not a theory, like you have been fed your entire life. The entire circumference around Earth is a type of data of knowledge. You will be able to understand it by using cryptography. The planet uses cryptography in order to hide all the information from you. In other words, all the information the science community have been searching for about planet Earth has always been staring right at them. Planet Earth should be called Kryptos, a word from the Greek language. It means hidden. The reason why is because everything the human mind sees in the natural design of everything is, in fact, data. The question that really needs to be answered is, why all the many different departments in the science community cannot even come close in figuring out planet Earth's design. We are talking about the actual design itself. This is called finding the truth. So there can only be one or two reasons why the science community cannot find the truth out about planet Earth's design. The first reason may be they are incompetent, or there is no money in the truth. You have been fed hogwash about your planet and the data coming back from James Webb and Hubble images. They are actually receiving data, information. But unfortunately, the science community cannot understand it. The leading astrophysicist from your planet will make a documentary about an image, let's say it's just arrived from Hubble. Now this person is going to tell you from a blip on a screen 100 million light years away. Now sit down for this. He will tell you what it actually is, with a straight face. When me and my team makes a statement about something, we will in fact back that statement up with real facts and something you can put in your hand. To make a file, we have decided to create 400 small briefs, then put them into a brief video. We have 40 years of notes just lying around. In this brief word video, we have injected a bunch of images that will give you an idea about all the data your planet stores. Your planet creates billions of images of people with numbers of letters. Then all this information is injected in the actual design of planet Earth. The outside of planet Earth is like a book cover. Even the outside of your planet tells a story, but the cover story may change every day. As the trillions of stories sewn into your planet, the planet uses colors. Then the planet will use thin black lines to separate all the strange colors. What it is actually doing is creating billions of images of people to tell many stories about the times. Me and my team have begun to write letters to the science community and the churches. We will begin to turn over all our data, so future generations will be able to study the actual design of planet Earth. We do not have much faith in the current science community. They have wasted their entire life on delivering hogwobble to the public. Okay. In one of the images of Earth, I have written a word in red. It says Kryptos. In Greek, means hidden. The entire Earth image from one end to the other is all information. The planet uses a type of imagery that at first glance will confuse the human mind. For instance, right below the first two letters is an image of an elderly man with white hair. A huge letter white C is positioned around where his mouth should be located. His face is two different colors, white on the left side and a dark color on the right side. What it is a person's face. Towards the bottom right of the same image of Earth is a man with a black X across his face. This is the top half of a person on an angle to the left. He has black hair. To the left of this man is what appears to be some sort of serpent, facing towards the man, like it is his pet. My point is your planet has enough data stored inside of it and on the outside of it that you would need a thumb drive as large as the moon just to store it. It's time for the science community to snap out of it. Get off the gravy train. Think. Understand what you are actually observing in everything. Do not guess while you are leaning on this word theory. Better yet, in your next meeting, make a real decision. Remove this word theory from your science spelling manual. Planet Earth is not a theory. All you really have to do is open your eyes, take the sunglasses off, then go out into the field. This is called sweating. Last, planet Earth uses a type of image technology that everything you see is actually all parts of people. The planet uses this type of image technology for a reason. When you invert the same image, it will still be information but different. Use the key to your planet. Let me try and explain what I just said. Get out a pen and paper. Now draw a person on a 45-degree leaning forward. Now when you draw the arms, make each arm an image of a person, but shape it like an arm. Do the same thing to the midsection of the person you are drawing. You see, this is a very complicated process. Your planet can only accomplish the way it sells images of people into it by only one way. You're inside a technology that has your science community babbled, in short. You were created a design. Then you were born inside a design. And the truth will set you free.